Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope all of you are doing good. This is your biology ma'am, Raisa Rozana Khan, and in today's video we are going to talk about plant senses, which is the 10th chapter of your syllabus, chapter 7.1, page 100 and 101 from your book. Well guys, we all know that plants do not have the five sense organs like humans, so they cannot see, hear or smell, but that does not mean they are not capable of sensing the world around them. Well, although plants cannot see or hear, talk or smell, but they can respond to four things, that is light, gravity, water, and some respond to touch. So in this chapter we will learn about these four senses of plants. So starting with the first one, that is light. Well, light is one of the most essential thing that all plants need to make their own food by photosynthesis. So plants can actually respond to this light, and they always like their shoots move towards the sunlight. For example, if you place a potted plant to be grown on a windowsill, you would notice that the plant would actually bend its shoot to the light, and the structure would be tilted because they want to take in or face the light. In the picture you will clearly see how a plant is grown outdoor and indoor. Well, the outdoor plant would grow straight as they are getting light straight towards them, but the indoor one that is kept in the windowsill will be tilted towards the sunlight. Alright, next we have gravity. So the second thing to which plants respond is gravity. Well, the shoots of the plants are actually pulled upward by the sunlight, but because of gravity the roots grow downwards. Well, this ensures that the roots always grow inside the soil so that the plants can find the water and the essential minerals to grow themselves. Okay, so we can see that the roots grow downwards in response to gravity, and the shoots grow in the opposite direction to the pull of gravity, that is upward. Okay, now the next thing which plants can sense is water. Well, when water is given to the plants, they are usually given in the soil, right? So the roots find water by growing straight downwards. But think like this: if water is scarce in one direction and it is plentiful in the other direction, what would happen? Well, as they can sense water, the roots sense the water and towards the direction where there is water. Despite of the pull of gravity, they are capable of doing that. Okay, lastly let's discuss about the last sense that plants have. Remember guys, in chapter 2.5 we learned about insect eating plants, right? So these types of plants can actually respond to touch in various ways by insects. For example, sundews. Sundews are sensitive to touch. When an insect gets stuck on the sticky glue of a leaf, they curl themselves and traps the insect inside them. Similarly, tendrils of sweet peas or vines touch anything, they curl themselves around it. Well, this is also how they obtain the support they need to climb towards the sunlight. Alright, so that is the end of the chapter. Inshallah we will meet in the next class. Thank you so much for your attention. Allah Hafiz.